Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tintin, a former bar staff in Royal Caribbean. If you've been dreaming of working on a cruise ship but you don't know where to apply, today I'm going to share with you some of the biggest and most popular cruise lines that are always looking for crew members. Each cruise line has its own culture, style, and opportunities. So listen carefully and take notes. This video might just point you to your future workplace at sea. Royal Caribbean International. Royal Caribbean is one of the biggest cruise companies in the world, known for its innovative and mega ships like Wonder of the Seas and Icon of the Seas. They hire thousands of crew in different positions: hospitality, housekeeping, food and beverage, spa, retail, entertainment, and technical roles. If you love working in a fast-paced and exciting environment, this is a great cruise line to aim for. Carnival Cruise Line. Carnival is part of Carnival Corporation, the largest cruise company in the world. They're often called the fun ships because of their lively atmosphere and focus on entertainment. If you're outgoing, energetic, and enjoy dealing with guests, this could be the best cruise line for you. Carnival has one of the largest fleets, which means lots of job opportunities. Norwegian Cruise Line. NCL is known for its freestyle cruising concept, which means no strict dining schedules and a more relaxed environment. For crew, this means opportunities in food and beverage, culinary, hospitality, and guest services. They also own Regent Seven Seas Cruises and Oceania Cruises, which are more luxury-oriented. MSC Cruises. MSC is a Europe-based cruise line but is rapidly expanding worldwide. They're hiring a lot of crew from different countries, including the Philippines. If you want to experience European-style cruising and work with an international team, MSC is a good choice. Disney Cruise Line. Disney Cruise Line is very popular for families and kids. They're strict with standards and training, but the experience is magical. Crew members here are known as cast members, and they focus on creating unforgettable experiences for children and families. If you enjoy working with kids, entertainment, or hospitality, this is an amazing opportunity. Princess Cruises. Princess Cruise is also part of Carnival Corporation. They're known for elegance, relaxation, and high-quality service. They often hire in food and beverage, housekeeping, entertainment, spa, and medical staff. If you have experience in hotel and resorts, Princess is a great fit. Celebrity Cruises, a premium brand under Royal Caribbean Group. Celebrity is known for its modern luxury and fine dining experiences. They usually prefer applicants with strong hospitality backgrounds, especially in hotels, restaurants, or upscale dining. Holland America Line, another brand under Carnival Corporation. Holland America is focused on traditional cruising with a touch of elegance. Their guests are usually older, so service here is more formal. They hire for hospitality, culinary, housekeeping, and technical staff. If you prefer a calmer, more classic cruise environment, Holland America is a good choice. Seabourn Cruise Line. Seabourn is also under Carnival Corporation, but it's an ultra-luxury cruise line. The ships are smaller, but the service is top-notch. They require very high standards in hospitality and usually prepare applicants with 5-star hotel or fine dining experience. If luxury service is your strength, Seabourn could be your path. Cunard Line. Cunard is famous for its iconic ships like the Queen Mary II. It's a British cruise line with a very traditional and formal style. Crew members here must maintain very high standard of service, especially in hospitality and food and beverage. If you want to experience the classic elegant side of cruising, Cunard is a great place to be. Costa Cruises. Based in Italy, Costa is also part of Carnival Corporation. Their ships sail a lot in Europe, and they hire a lot of international crew. Costa has a fun and lively environment, quite similar to Carnival. Azamara Cruises. Azamara is a smaller cruise line known for destination-focused voyage. They focus more on cultural experiences and longer stays in ports. This is great for crew who love travel and want to experience different destinations. Virgin Voyage. Virgin Voyage is one of the newest cruise lines founded by Richard Branson. They are unique because they focus on adult-only cruising. Their ships have a very modern and trendy vibe. For crew, this means lots of opportunities and entertainment, hospitality, and nightlife. So those are some of the top cruise line you can apply for. Each cruise line has its own culture, guest profile, and work environment. My advice, don't limit yourself to just one. Apply to different cruise line and agencies to maximize your chances. Remember, getting hired on a cruise ship takes patience and persistence. The cruise industry is always growing and there's a place for you on board. So keep applying, keep learning, and don't give up. Your dream job at sea might be closer than what you think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips about cruise ship jobs. Thanks for watching!